generally the questions I get this time of year is bring out your crystal ball. What's going to happen for next year? Is the stock market a best place to invest? There's all these things that are scary out there. We got wars, we got inflation, we have beliefs that the interest rates are coming down, and I would say most economists think that's going to happen. What if something happens where that doesn't happen and inflation stays higher for longer? So there's all these unknowns that are out there, and you throw in a US election, and a lot of people are very confused. So what I generally tell them is, like, forecasting, it's literally a flip of a coin. Like, if I were to go back this time last year, most people were saying that we would see a recession in the US and Canada, interest rates would be down already. And of course, none of that happens. No one predicted a pandemic in 2020. No one predicted, a war. So all these things sort of happen. So what I generally say is the best course of action, if you have a long-term plan, the thing that I really like doing, and I do myself, is the dollar cost averaging. So you make a certain amount into your RSPs, if that's the best place for the money, and you just do it no matter what happens. Because issues, the unknowns, they happen every single year, yet stock markets tend to go up over the long term. And we find out that most individual investors, because they're buying and selling at the wrong time, they don't partake in the same upswings as the markets. So it's best to have sort of a strategy where you take the emotions out of it and you're just buying constantly every single month for the same amount of time, same amounts at the same time every month. And that's a strategy that's been proven. It works well, and it just really benefits from that compound interest, which is really the miracle of long-term investing.